Today, I'm showing you 12 must-have bicycle gadgets that riders actually use worldwide, and each one improves safety, performance, or convenience in a real way. I'll show how they look, how they feel on the bike, and how they work in real riding conditions. And remember, all Amazon buying links are in the description, so let's start. Number 1. Rear Radar Bike Light. The rear radar bike light looks like a clean, compact taillight mounted neatly under the seat, and once fitted, it instantly makes the bike feel more advanced and intelligent. When you start riding with it, you feel a calm sense of awareness, almost like someone is watching your back, and it blends perfectly with the bike frame without adding any bulk. As cars approach from behind, you no longer feel surprised or nervous, because the light gives early visual and sound alerts that prepare you in advance. It stays bright and visible in both day and night, and the radar technology actively detects vehicles from far away, giving you extra reaction time on busy roads. Especially on highways and open streets, this gadget lets you focus more on enjoying the ride instead of worrying about traffic, and it quietly works in the background like a silent safety partner. Number 2. GPS Bike Computer with Navigation. The GPS bike computer sits on the handlebar like a small digital dashboard with a big clear screen that instantly gives your bike a professional, modern look. The moment you start riding, you feel more connected to your journey as maps, speed, and ride data appear right in front of your eyes. The touchscreen responds smoothly even with gloves, and the mount holds it firmly without any shaking on rough roads. Navigation guides you confidently through new routes, while real-time stats track your performance and progress. Climb tips help manage your energy on hills, and music or alerts stay easily accessible, turning every ordinary ride into a smart and organized experience. For daily commuters and long-distance cyclists, it feels like having a personal ride assistant on the handlebar. Number 3. Foldable Bicycle Security Lock. The foldable bicycle lock looks strong and premium, with clean metal links that fold neatly into a compact shape, and when mounted on the frame, it adds a serious, secure character to your bike. The moment you park and lock it, you feel a wave of relief, knowing your bike is not an easy target anymore. It installs quickly, doesn't rattle while riding, and the locking mechanism feels solid in the hand. The hardened steel design resists cutting and forced attacks, making it ideal for city streets, campuses, or outdoor stops. Unlocking is smooth and simple, and unlike heavy chain locks, this one stays lightweight while still giving heavy-duty protection. Every time you step away from your bike, this lock gives you real peace of mind. Number 4. High-Power LED Bicycle Headlight. The high-power LED headlight looks bold and aggressive on the front of the bike, and even before turning it on, you can tell this is built for serious night riding. Once mounted, the bike feels more capable and ready for dark roads, and the first time you switch it on, confidence rises instantly. The wide beam spreads across the street, clearly revealing potholes, turns, and obstacles ahead, while other vehicles notice you from a safe distance. USB charging keeps life easy, the waterproof body handles rain without fear, and multiple light modes let you adapt to city streets or dark trails. With battery-level display and strong brightness, night riding stops feeling risky and starts feeling smooth and controlled. Number 5. Bicycle Helmet with Integrated LED Lights. This bicycle helmet has a clean, modern design with lights built directly into the shell, and when you hold it, it feels lightweight yet protective. Once you wear it on the road, you feel more visible and more confident, especially in busy traffic or evening rides. The front and rear LEDs blend naturally with the helmet, giving you 360-degree visibility without any extra accessories. It fits comfortably without pressure, recharges easily through USB, and works perfectly for daily commuting. Instead of just protecting your head, this helmet actively helps drivers notice you, and that extra attention on the road makes every ride feel safer and smarter. Number 6. Portable Bicycle Repair Toolkit with Pump. The portable repair kit looks compact, organized, and ready for action, with metal tools that feel durable and dependable in hand. Carrying it on a ride gives a strong sense of security, like you're prepared for anything the road throws at you. It fits easily into a small bag, and the mini pump feels solid rather than cheap. If something gets loose or a tire loses air, quick fixes become stress-free instead of panic moments. The pump works with different valve types, and the multi-tool handles common adjustments on brakes, seat, or gears, With this kit, you don't need to call for help, you become your own mechanic and keep the ride going. Number 7. Electric Mini Bicycle Air Pump. The electric mini pump looks futuristic and compact, and when you hold it, the build quality feels surprisingly premium. Attaching it to the tire is effortless, and the digital display clearly shows pressure settings. Instead of manual pumping and sweating, you just set the number and press start, and the pump does everything automatically. Inflation is fast and accurate, small enough to fit in any backpack, and suitable for road bikes, mountain bikes, or e-bikes. It saves time, energy, and frustration, and once you use it, going back to a traditional pump feels impossible. Number 8. Multifunction Bicycle Tool. The Multifunction Bicycle Tool has a rugged, professional look, compact but packed with almost everything you might need on the road. Holding it in your hand feels reassuring, as if you're carrying a tiny workshop. The metal body is strong, the grip is comfortable, and it fits perfectly into a saddlebag. From adjusting brakes and derailleurs to tightening bolts or fixing chains, it covers most emergency repairs. Instead of ending a ride because of a small problem, this tool helps you fix things on the spot, keeping your adventure alive without stress. Number 9. Electric Bicycle Horn with Headlight. This electric horn with headlight looks small but powerful on the handlebar, and once installed, it immediately boosts your road presence. In traffic, you feel more confident, knowing you have a loud, clear horn ready at your thumb. The sound is strong enough to alert cars, pedestrians, or other riders, and multiple sound modes add flexibility. The built-in headlight improves visibility at the same time, USB-C charging keeps it convenient, and waterproof design handles all weather. It's not just a gadget, it's your voice on busy streets. Number 10. Bicycle Chain Cleaning Tool. The chain cleaning tool has a simple, transparent design that lets you actually see the cleaning magic happening inside, and using it feels surprisingly satisfying. It fits directly onto the chain without removing anything, and rotating brushes scrub out dirt and old grease deeply. After a few minutes, the chain looks fresh, runs smoother, and becomes quieter on the ride. Regular cleaning reduces wear on gears and improves performance, and even beginners can use it without any skill. It's one of those small tools that make a huge difference to bike life. Number 11. Universal Bicycle Phone Holder. The universal phone holder looks minimal yet very strong on the handlebar, and once your phone is locked in, it feels completely secure. Even on bumpy roads, the grip stays tight, and large phones with cases fit easily. Installation takes seconds, and the rotating head lets you switch between portrait and landscape for navigation. Riding with maps visible in front makes every trip easier, and there's no fear of slipping or falling. It turns your phone into a real bike display while keeping your hands free and safe. Number 12. Anti-Theft Bicycle Alarm System. The anti-theft alarm is small and discreet, but once installed, it gives a big sense of protection. Whenever you park the bike, you feel relaxed, knowing any movement will trigger a loud warning. The remote control is simple, sensitivity levels can be adjusted, and the alarm sound is strong enough to scare off thieves. Rechargeable battery lasts long, and it works perfectly for bicycles, e-bikes, or scooters. It's like having a personal security guard watching your bike 24 hours a day. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another rider. And remember, all Amazon buying links are in the description. Ride smart, ride safe.